12th standard, and I'm in favor of job. First of all, I want to clear all of you that I'm not prepared at all. I have totally blank mind, and but I have joined here just because I wanted to see that how much I can speak with a blank mind. So that's all. And today I am favoring job. So I think both job and businesses are good at their places, and it varies to person, and it depends on their choices. There are some people who like simple and comfortable life, and there are some people also who want luxurious life. So it depends on the thinking of person, what is good for them. But today we are going to telling you the disadvantages and advantages of job and businesses. There is nothing like competition between us. We will just tell you the disadvantages and advantages, then you can think according to yourself that what is meant for you. So I think job is far better than business, because there is more flexibility and comfortability in job. Because there is a fixed schedule in job, there are fixed hours you have to work, and there are fixed responsibilities on you. And whereas in business there are lots of burden on you, and you can't spend time with your family, and you can't enjoy at all. If you take loan from a bank, so there is also risk for the business, and in early stages all the businesses are not successful. So what do you think about it?
Good morning everyone, my name is Oshin Suryavanshi, and today I am favoring business, and I totally agree with her. Just she said there is no competition between us, we are just representing our points. So you said that there is a lot of burden in business and risk, and you can't spend time with your family. No, that's not very true. You can also spend time with your families. In some jobs also, you have a 9 to 5 work, so you can also not spend time with your family in jobs also. And about burden is in everything. If you are in a job, you have a burden, like you have to complete a assignment, a project which is given to you, you have to prepare presentations. So burden is in job also as equal as in business. But I think business I am favoring, because I think in business you are your own boss. Just you said the everything is fixed in job, so that's the point, everything is fixed in job. But business are limitless, you can achieve how high you want to achieve, you can fly how high you want to fly. So I think that's why. And in jobs, yeah, everything is fixed and certain, so that certainty and fixed things are broken. That things that certainty and the fixed words are broken in business, that you can achieve anything you want in business. There is no fixed in job. If you are doing a job 9 to 5, doesn't matter how much you are effort you are giving to that job, it is fixed that how much you gonna get, and it is decided by other person also, which is called boss. And that's not in business. That's a plus point in business, that it depends upon you, how you are doing, how much you give the efforts to your business, how much it will grow, and how you will get.
So if we take it in a positive way, that you are saying he is a boss and he will order us that what we have to do. So if we take it in a positive way, so I think there is a guider who is guiding us, and he will tell us what we have to do. But in business you are your own boss, so everything you will have to decide what you have to do, and what will you do for you need a planning, long term planning in business, otherwise it will not work for a long time. So you have to make the planning. But in job, after 9 to 5 working, you can give time to yourself, your hobbies and your family, and everything, and you can also take holidays whenever you need. But in business, we can't take holiday because all of the burden is on of us. And I have seen many times that the business people doesn't attend many functions and anything, but they are matlab, totally indulged in their business and in earning money. Main purpose is to earning money, and we are earning money in job also, in business also. But if we talk about comfortability, so it is more in job than business.
So as we are talking about comfortability, so comfort is not everything. Like comfort is not everything, that's very true. And first of all, about holidays. So in jobs, that's not very true. We can take holidays whenever we want. If you're doing a government job, like if you're a government teacher, that's a job, nah, that's not a business. So you got only 13 holidays in a year. Whenever you want to take it, okay. So that's not about holidays. Business, if you're doing a business, you can decide your own holidays according to your plans. So that's not very true. And about attending the functions, so everyone has their personal problems, personal things. So that's not blamed on business that you are doing a business so you can't attend a function, I think. And sorry, what was your point? Another point? That's all. And in a business, you can, if you're free, you can enjoy anything. And what happens in job, I just like, if you are saying 9 to 5, after 9 to 5 you can give time to your family, that's not very true. In business also you can give time to your family. And as in business in a job you can support only your family, your comfort. But a business gives employments, may give employments to 1 or 2 families, 1 or 2 person, or persons in lakhs of numbers. So I think that's a plus point of business, that it not only employs you, not only gives comfort to you, but it gives comfort to other and employments to other also.